Hey Russell fam, today I am going to update you on my intermittent fasting journey. Be back in just a second. Okay, my 1 week intermittent fasting journey was not as bad as I thought it was going to be. The first couple of days were a little rocky, but after I got past those, I was good. And I mean by rocky is that my body had to get used to not just wanting to eat food all the time. Because being a stay-at-home homeschooling mom, you have access to snacks. And so you just walk by and you're like, oh, I think I want this. Well, you may think you want it, but your body really doesn't need it. So here is what I have accomplished this week. And I'm going to tell you about some of the foods that I've eaten. And the hardest thing for me with this whole journey, but it's gotten better as it's gone on, is snacking at night. Like, I would eat supper and then I would be hungry or thought I was hungry and want a snack. And so I would go get one. Well, with the intermittent fasting, I have cut that out and I feel great. My energy is through the roof. I'm not hungry when it is time to eat. I don't eat nearly the food I used to eat. So I am enjoying this, and I hope this helps you to understand what is going on with intermittent fasting. Okay, so I've got my notes right here so I don't forget anything. Okay, I am down 6 pounds. I have lost 6 pounds in a week. So that was averaging about a pound a day. The longest fast, I did work up to 20 hours, and I did that yesterday. So I was really excited about that. So that meant I went 20 hours from the last time I ate until the next time I ate. And then I went back to my 16-hour fast. So it's not quite time for me to eat yet, but I'm not really hungry. And I really don't want my coffee. So I'm just drinking tons of water. Let's see. Planning. If you're doing intermittent fasting, you have to plan. You have to know when your last time you can eat is and all of that. And so with Bailey having lots of karate and extracurricular activities, I have to plan because my cutoff time is 5. Well, typically I'm not home by 5. So I've had to take stuff with me to eat in the car. Like I would take some slices of lunch meat and some cheese and roll them up, and I would have a ham and cheese roll up. So I would have that to make sure that I ate before my time was up. So you have to plan. And another tip, always have water. Always have water with you. I have water in my Yeti and I take it everywhere with me because when you're intermittent fasting, you want to drink lots of water. Lots of water. And some of the foods I have eaten this week are kale salad with ranch. I had bacon bits, ham and cheese. I've had baked broccoli with Parmesan and smoked pork. I've had bacon and eggs with my coffee. I've had taco salad with kale, ground beef, and cheese. I've had a bacon and cheese omelet. I've had cauli mash and a hamburger patty, and I will leave a link up here to how we make cauli mash. I have had sausage and cauliflower rice. Basically, I cook my sausage like I do with if I was making red beans and rice. So I put it in the slow cooker with my chicken broth, and I cook it in the slow cooker, and then I take my extra cauli mash, which we make right here.
I wanted to show y'all how I make my cauliflower. So I have steamed everything, I have put it in a big bowl, and I use this, or you can use a mashed potato masher. And all you do is just find all the big pieces and chop them up like this. And this is the best way to make steamed cauliflower for all of your keto dishes, so that way you don't have to buy the store brand. It's really easy, and it's way better for you. So I just wanted to show you this.
And then I just pour the sausage and chicken broth on top of it. So that is some of the foods that I've had this week, and the little short video to show you how we actually make our steamed cauliflower. And it makes it so much easier instead of having to go buy it from the store, which isn't as good for you. This is organic cauliflower. I steam it and then we mash it. I hope you have enjoyed the update of my intermittent fasting journey. I can't wait to tell you about next week and what all I have done and learned. And also I have posted a blog about intermittent fasting. I'll leave that link below. If you are interested in keto foods, I will leave a link here. So make sure you check that out. Have a great day. Bye.